Drones are fast becoming a tool in law enforcement that is an extremely efficient asset because we're able to get a quick deployment, get an aerial view, and usually get on scene quicker than responding units can. We're able to provide either a color picture overview of what's going on. We also have thermal cameras on our drones, which enable us to get a thermal signature of the scene. And all of those are huge assets in assisting K9 and the other units on the ground. And we're a tool that they can use and deploy very quickly. If we can get up with our UAVs and search a large area, we can do it much quicker than the ground units can. And in many cases, we're able to narrow the area of the search, which then makes it more efficient for the deployment of the ground units and the K9s as well. So that's mainly our job, is to help them locate what they're looking for in a more efficient manner. We have very sophisticated UAVs that we use. Because we're flying for law enforcement, we do have to have a Part 107 license issued by the FAA. We fly under very strict regulations from FAA, from our general orders, and from Florida state statutes to maintain safe flights and efficient flights without endangering anybody on the ground in the process. When you're trying to cover large areas of unknown terrain and that sort of thing, it makes it much more efficient to fly over it quickly and be able to get an aerial view of what's going on, especially with our thermal camera. We can create a map of an area in probably 10 minutes. If it's a building, or if it's a crime scene, or if it's a collapse, something like that would be no issue to be able to overfly it, create a map that is centimeters accurate. We're only at the tip of the spear of what we can deploy them for, how we're going to use them. The direction down the road is going to be much more dependent on UAVs because they're very inexpensive to purchase. They don't have a huge learning curve. They're just going to become a staple in law enforcement and public safety in general in the future, I think.